In Montecito's coveted Golden Quadrangle, Las Armas stands as an architectural greatest hits album. Originally envisioned in 1929 by the legendary duo of George Washington Smith and Lutah Maria Riggs, and later polished to a high shine by Mark Appleton, this Spanish colonial revival estate is the rare historic gem that doesn't require its residents to actually live like it's 1929. Las Armas masters the art of stealth luxury. The sun-drenched living room pulls double duty as a state-of-the-art theater. The foyer greets you with vaulted groin ceilings and slender columns that suggest you should probably be wearing a silk robe and carrying a martini at all times. The architectural pedigree is, frankly, showing off. We're talking authentic lath and plaster walls thick enough to keep any secret, Moorish-inspired grillwork, and 17th century carved wood doors imported from Italy by the original owner, the ultimate souvenir move. But the lifestyle is where the real fun begins. Outside, the 88-foot pool offers enough room for Olympic laps, or more likely, a very long, very chic nap. With an effortless flow between the grand interiors and the lush gardens, it's the kind of home that makes staying in feel like the most exclusive ticket in town.